Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. So today we're going to be making a very simple banana bread recipe. And when I made this and it turned out as beautiful as it did and as heavenly as it smelled, I had to share this recipe with my subscribers. I'm cracking eggs and you're going to see me drop a shell, but I got it. And I have already mashed 4 very ripe bananas there in the bowl next to it. I am going to basically scramble up these eggs and then I'm going to put in the bananas and just combine that until it is nice and just, as combined as I can get. The other thing I loved about this recipe was I didn't have to get my mixer out. I could just do it all by hand. Now I'm going to add in a simple yellow cake mix. Mine came from Walmart. It was only 98 cents. And you can't beat a cake mix for 98 cents. And a lot of times, I have yellow cake mixes on hand because I have a lot of different recipes that call for a yellow cake mix. So I try to have a couple extras, in my pantry just for these moments. So now I'm going to add in the yellow cake mix to my bananas and eggs. And I am going to give this a good mix and combine this very well. Now in the meantime, you want to have your loaf pan or pans because I'm going to make one large loaf. But if you wanted to, you could separate this dough and make 2 small loaves if you wished. But I'm going to do one large loaf and it is going to be baked in a oven that is preheated to 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. So now I'm adding in a cup of the mini semi chocolate chips just to add a little bit of chocolate because you cannot go wrong with chocolate. And who doesn't like chocolate and banana together? That's just so delicious. Now I'm going to pour in my batter into my large bread loaf pan. This one here is from Pampered Chef and I have used it a million times. And I sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray like I always do. And in goes the batter. Now all you're going to do is spread that out nice and even on the top and place it into the oven mine took about 40 minutes. So I would say each oven may not be exactly the same, so you should be able to tell that it's done with a toothpick inserted and it comes out clean. So here it goes into my oven. I love a good banana bread recipe because we always have those few extra bananas that just get too ripe just to enjoy the way they are. And this way I'm not throwing my money out and having to throw out any type of fruit. I can utilize my bananas and make this wonderful banana bread. Now here it is all done. And I'm going to cut this. I think that it looks so pretty on the inside. And I will say, not only did it make my house smell absolutely wonderful, but this tasted amazing. Absolutely amazing. I hope you all enjoyed seeing this recipe. If you make it, please let me know. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And I will be seeing you soon. Bye-bye, guys.